everybody, and welcome to AZCAMERA Reviews and Cheyenne, USA, or should I say Zhiyun, USA. I've tried out a lot of their gimbals. I really like them, but now I am trying out another gimbal, which is a new smaller gimbal. It's the Zhiyun Q2, which is basically designed to be used with your smartphone. It's the new little brother of the Zhiyun Smooth 4, and I'm going to do an unboxing here in a second, and we'll compare the Q2 with the Smooth 4, and we'll see how they go head to head. So we've got our Smooth Q2, and what we're going to do is we're going to open it up and we're going to see what's inside. So first thing we want to do is we want to take the plastic off. So let's take the plastic off of here. Okay. We got the plastic off, and now we've got the some specifications on the back, and it looks like it's the normal thing where you're going to slide the back off like so. Okay, and here we've got our box, and now what we're going to do is cut these two tabs like always. Okay, turn the box over and open her up. All right, let's see what we've got in the box. So it looks like first thing we have here is probably an operations manual, and it is. It's a Smooth Q Ops manual, where it also gives you the scans so you can get your software and stuff like that. And there's also a service card that shows you on the back the different places that Zhiyun is located in the world and where you can get stuff serviced. So let's take a look at the unit itself. Let's pull it out of the box. Okay, and it's considerably smaller than the Smooth 4. It's got some really nice controls. Everything is pretty centrally located. The new Zhiyun Q2 enables you to put your gimbal in whatever mode you want and easily tell where you are by utilizing 4 LEDs. It will tell you whether you're in the PF mode, the L mode, the F mode, or the POV mode. Real easy operation, and it tells you just with 4 simple lights. Now, you've got your 3 accesses. This is one of your accesses. This is your other access. And here is your other axis. And then you have this, which holds your phone. Now, I'll show you this in a close-up. When you first look at it, it looks a little complicated. It's like, how am I going to do this? But if you look on the actual arm itself, right over here, there's a small little silver nub. If you can see that, let me just bring this up a little bit. Okay, you see that little silver nub right there? Okay, so what you're going to do is you're going to look on the back of here, and you see there's that little silver nub there also. And you're going to take your sled and you're going to slide it onto your arm like this. Then on the back side, there's a small little lever. And what you'll do is you'll flip that lever over to the lock position. And then you're able to put your cell phone in here. It's got a really nice little cell phone holder. And last but not least, you've got another little box in here. If I can get it out. Here you go. And inside this box, we've got a flat power charging cable, which utilizes the new style of charging adapter. And you've also got a wrist strap. So I've got two gimbals here. I've got the Smooth 4 and I've got the Smooth Q2. Which one do I like better? Oh boy, it's hard to say. I really like the size of the Q2. It's so much smaller than the Smooth 4. The thing that I miss on the Q2 that I really like on the Smooth 4 is this knob right here. This knob allowed me to focus and to zoom really smoothly, whereas the Q2 doesn't allow me to do that. But you know what? That's not such a big trade-off. The Q2 is small, it's easy to use, its modes are easy to switch between. The Smooth Q2 also has a higher capacity battery. It'll run the unit for about 16 hours. But what you can do is you can get a cord that'll actually go from the unit into the side of your phone, so you can power your phone off of the Smooth Q2. Now the Smooth 4, you could do the same thing, but the Smooth Q2 is just so much smaller, more compact, and easier to use. The other thing I really, really like about it is this little latch. Now, you can take this latch, you pull it up, and it'll allow you to remove the phone. Here, let me turn this off, and I'll show you exactly what ends up happening. Okay, power's off on the phone now and on the gimbal. What you do is, there's this little latch right here. You can just pull this off and take your phone off, put it in your pocket, take your gimbal, put your gimbal in the pocket, and the gimbal locks like this, so it stays small. So then when you want to use it, what you do is you just take your gimbal, flip it up like this, take your phone out of your pocket, you've got your mount hooked on there, and what you do is you just slide it in, just like that, and then flip this little switch down, and your phone is locked back into your gimbal. It's that simple. So in summation, I've shown you the Smooth Q2. I've shown you what comes inside the box. I've shown you how I like the Smooth Q2 versus the Smooth 4, and what I liked about the Smooth 4 versus the Smooth Q. And I will be putting out a video sometime in the near future that'll show you the different apps that the Smooth Q2 has, such as slow motion, time lapse, follow me, and some additional applications. So until then, I'm Jeff with AZ Camera Reviews saying, please watch us, please like us, please share us, and most of all, please subscribe. Until next time, bye-bye.